they jealous for your figure and my fingers. World to I go tell them we are nobody's. Need you to remind me what a line.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get into this new look. I'm going to do Vanessa's Juvia. I love her. I had to go and support her line by Juvia'S place. It's sold out now, so you can't get it. I also bought her two lipsticks, or the lip glosses. One is called Naomi and one is called Legit Nude. So I'm gonna be using these two for my look also. And then I'm gonna use mostly Juvia'S place. Maybe I'm gonna use some other products, but I'll show you while I do the video. So my auntie bought me this for Christmas by Morphe. So it has all of the eye brushes. So I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna do a nice look with this. I saw a few people do looks with this palette, so I'm gonna try to do something similar that I like. So I'm gonna just experiment with it. So we'll see how it looks. So let's get into this look. So you already know, guys, we're gonna start off with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Face Primer. This stuff is the GOAT. For the brows, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Brow Pencil in the color Deep Brown. Now we're gonna use the Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch. And my favorite foundation by Maybelline in the color Caramel. Come on. Blend it in, honey. Blend it in. We're gonna give my face a little color, so we're gonna go in with the contour palette by Radiance in the color Sculpt, and we're gonna go all around the cheeks and the forehead. Don't forget the forehead. And we're gonna go in with the same color and do a little nose contour. I need my nose to be cute. And be sure to blend, because we don't want to look like Pinocchio out here with those harsh lines on our nose. For some primer for the eyeshadow, we're gonna go in with the Louise and MMMMitchell in the color Blank Canvas. This stuff is amazing. In the brow crease, we're gonna go in with the color Stush. We're gonna just outline it and then blend it in. And don't forget to blend. Blending is essential to life. And now to deepen the crease, we're gonna go in with the color BSG on top of Stush. And we're just gonna blend it in. And don't forget to add me on Instagram. Now for the lid in the middle, we're gonna go in with the color Extra, and we're just gonna place it on there. And after that, I'm gonna go back in and blend in the corner with the color Stush again. Now for the inside corner of the lid, I'm gonna go in and spray some setting powder for the color Perfectionist, and we're gonna put that on the inner lid. Now for the bottom lid, we're gonna go back in with the color Stush, and I'm gonna blend that in with the BSG. concealer, we're gonna go back in with the Born This Way in the color Butterscotch, and make sure to get the corners. Blend it in with your beauty blender. Blend it in. And to brighten the under eyes, we're gonna go in with Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the number 13. Now we're gonna use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and we're gonna lightly pat that under the eye. And you already know we need some mascara to put on the lashes. They gotta stick to something. To ensure I get no creases, I'm gonna pat in the setting powder, and then I'm gonna lightly brush it off. Yeah. To finish it off, I'm gonna pat my whole face with the Mineralize Skin Finish in the color Dark Tan by MAC. This is my favorite highlighter palette by Milani, and I'm gonna go in with the color Golden and get in the cheeks, the nose, and the upper lip. And for blush, we're gonna go in with the color Gleeful by MAC Cosmetics. And of course, we can't forget our under eyelash. We gotta put some mascara on that thing. And we gotta put on some lashes, y'all. And for some eyeliner, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Unstoppable Eyeliner in Onyx. Now we're gonna put on some lip liner from the beauty supply store for 99 cents that I bought. And now to fill in the lips, we're gonna go in with the Vanessa lip gloss in the color Legit Nude. And to finish off the look, we're gonna go in with the Vanessa lip gloss in Naomi, and that thing is the bomb, and that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. And to set the face, we're gonna go in with Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, and that's it, baby. And I had to change the lash because it was looking crazy. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you love it. I really, really, really love this palette. It gave me like such a natural look. I love Vanessa, and of course I had to support my other Vanessa because Vanessas are lit. And we're lit. So whatever. I'm so happy for her, and congrats on being sold out. I love Juvia'S Place. I love what she stands for. Black women, black empowerment, and I love it. I also had to change my lashes because those other lashes were atrocious. And I'm telling you, these lashes here, baby girl, if you don't know, somebody need to tell you, these lashes are the best. You can literally wear like 10 times. You can clean them off and they will come out just like brand new. So I wanted to get into like my new line that's coming out. These are a few of the rings that are gonna be available. I don't know if you could see because this camera is acting crazy. But this is one of the rings. This is one of the rings, and I'll have all of these rings available on lerv.com. Oops. I'm super excited for my line to come out, and I hope that you guys really support me. I'm getting started with my YouTube stuff. I think I'm gonna do a business series where I get into the aspects of how the business started, logo making, website making, Shopify, all of those things. So we'll see, and really appreciate all the love. Please give me a thumbs up to support my channel, and shout out to all my Vanessas. Bye. Stay tuned to my next video. Bye. Bye. Don't forget to cop.